All right, so nothing major, but we got another bus in. So we'll end up getting it all stripped down, as you can see what we're starting to do now. All the lights come off, all the badgings come off, all that gets done. We'll get it all sanded down. Once we get it all sanded down, we'll bring it in the booth, tape it off, and then it'll be like 3 days in the paint booth. So we'll paint the roof, the side, and then the last thing we'll do is the black markers on there, or not the markers, but well, they are markers because they let you know where people sit and stuff. So anyway, but we'll paint the black basically last, and then go from there. So we should have it done a couple weeks. The buses actually go really, really fast. The guys have done an absolute ton of buses. So it's kind of like sacred nature at this point for what has to happen to a bus. So we'll get that done, and then other than that, we'll rock and roll. I have a couple other cars coming in that you guys will see. I got some Hondas that are coming in about a week or so. So yeah, stay tuned for those.